Plastic is useful, but too much plastic harms our earth, oceans, and animals. On this special day, let's learn how to protect our environment by saying no to single-use plastic and choosing eco-friendly alternatives. Now let's begin our assembly. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now I am calling Vaishnavi for the thought of the day. Good morning everyone. Thought of the day. A clean earth is a happy earth. Meaning, when we keep our surroundings clean, everyone stay healthy, happy. Thank you. Thank you Vaishnavi for the thought of the day. Now I am calling Sriyan for the word of the day. Good morning everyone. My name is Sriyan. I am studying in second class. Word of the day. Plastic, a material, is used to many things, but too much plastic is harm nature. We should use cloth bags instead of plastic bags. Thank you. Thank you Sriyan for the word of the day. Now I am calling Adnan for the sentence correction.